How to sync Printful and Etsy. So go open your browser, search etsy.com and sign in to make your Etsy account. After signing in, click on your profile icon and select Sell on Etsy. Click on Get Started and just answer what they're asking. If you don't want to provide such information, just click on the Skip this question. Now, in this page, you need to set up your shop. So just set up your language, country, and currency. Name your shop. You can also add in photos, videos, and listing details to help you sell your account. Name your shop. You can also add in photos, videos, and listing details to help you sell your product. Once you're done with your Etsy account, go to printful.com. Sign up in this website as well. Make sure that you are using the same email that you used in the Etsy website. On your dashboard, click on Connect a Store. In here, click Choose a Platform. Now, Etsy should be on top here, so just select that. Scroll down and click on Connect to Etsy. Click on Grant Access, connect to the same email, and then Connect Store. Now, after it's loaded, you have successfully connected your Etsy to Printful, and it's now time to add some products to sell. So that is how to sync Printful and Etsy. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.